Welcome to 316 North 7th Street in Colby. This property features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and sits on a corner lot in the city of Colby. Come on inside. Entering the home, you see the kitchen with all of the appliances, including a dishwasher, range, and refrigerator. Walking through, you can see there is a dining room or a sitting room that looks out to the back deck and the backyard. Here is another look at your kitchen with plenty of storage space. From the dining room, you enter the formal living room. With a view overlooking both streets, you have a large space to entertain. You can also see your front door and the stairway to upstairs. Down the hallway, you have a closet for your front door and an additional room that could be used as either an office or a formal dining room. And in here, you have a half bath. Heading upstairs, you have a linen closet. At the top of the stairs, you have a full bath with a tub. And going down the hallway, you enter one of the bedrooms that overlooks the backyard. The room has a nice closet with tons of space. And heading to the next room, you overlook the front yard. And this room also has a nice walk-in closet. Heading back across the landing, you enter your third bedroom, overlooking the backyard. Here is a view over your back deck and into your yard. And another spacious closet in this room. Entering your primary suite, you overlook your front yard and side yard from this room. You have 2 spacious closets and an attached bathroom. The bathroom has nice natural lighting and features a tub. Heading down to your basement, this is a great room to entertain. There's plenty of space for a pool table. The room also features a bar with a fridge and storage closet. There is plenty of room to entertain. And here's a better view. Heading to the other side of the stairs, you have your laundry room with a nice laundry sink and storage. And you enter a bonus room. This could be used as an office or an extra space that you need. It does have 2 nice sized closets for storage and does have some natural light in here as well. The basement also has another bathroom with a shower. Heading back upstairs, you have a pantry closet, and the other closet does have attachments for your washer and dryer. Heading back outside, this is your backyard with trees, and you can also see your back deck from here. The property does feature a detached 2-car garage with attic space, and the roof on the house was redone in 2021. Thanks for touring 316 North 7th Street in Colby.